Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video I am sharing some super cute, super feminine Amazon finds that I picked up for spring and summer. I am so excited. I have been living for buying some new clothes as I drop weight and just get comfortable in this new mid-sized body. I am enjoying it and I hope you guys are coming along for the journey. I know that you have enjoyed the clothing hauls as well, so thank you for that. In today's video, everything that I'm gonna share with you for the most part is from Amazon. If it isn't, I'll let you know. I'll have everything linked in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram at Charlotte Grove Farmhouse and Like to Know at Charlotte Grove Farmhouse, where I post all of these finds as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. Before we go any further in today's video, I want to go ahead and thank our sponsor, Motivate. I have talked to you guys about Motivate so many times, and as I mentioned the last time, I will continue to sing their praises. They have helped me tremendously when it comes to meeting my health and weight loss goals, and thanks to their help, I'm down to 193 pounds, and I am feeling better than I have felt in a very long time. If you don't know what Motivate is, or you've missed any of my previous mentions of Motivate, they are a women-owned supplement company, and I've gotten to know the owner very well, and she is wonderful. She wants nothing but the best for women, and I love their products. Number one product that I talk about all of the time is their pre-workout burn. This is my favorite. This is the cotton candy. I absolutely love this. It is so delicious, sweet, yummy. Shake it up, put it over ice, and it is a fantastic coffee alternative that's zero sugar, zero calorie. You're gonna get the same like cognitive benefits of coffee. So you're gonna have some like extra sharp focus. It's gonna give you lots of energy. It's great if you need to work out and you just don't want to. And it is fantastic, especially if I need to power through some things on a Sunday evening before I gotta go back to work. I absolutely love Burn. I've also talked to you guys about Detox. Detox are digestive support. They are pills that you take every single day to help keep you regular. You guys know I'm on a GLP-1 medication. I take Zepbound, and one of the side effects is constipation, and that is something nobody wants to deal with. And so you can take Detox. I take Detox every single day, and it just helps to keep things moving. It's wonderful. And then the one that Danny loves the most is Greens. This is what he takes on a daily basis. I actually just ordered some more. We've got like hardly anything left, but this is a greens supplement. So he has Crohn's disease. I've talked about this on the channel before. He cannot eat fruits and vegetables. His body just does not absorb them properly, and they just really wreak havoc on his belly. So he takes the greens, and when he doesn't take this, he can like instantly tell a difference. If he hasn't taken it in a couple of days, he'll know. He definitely feels it in his gut. So this is a huge helper when it comes to his gut health. So those are my favorite products from Motivate, but you can try out any of them. Don't take my word for it. Go read all of the reviews. They are, you can read hundreds and if not thousands of reviews from other people who have found fantastic results with Motivate. Don't forget to use my code Tiffany20 to get 20% off your entire order. And again, thank you to Motivate for sponsoring today's video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comments below. And again, thank you to Motivate for sponsoring today's video. Okay, the first dress that I have to share with you is this adorable green gingham dress with these incredible puff sleeves. And it needs a good iron, but I just took it out of the packaging to make sure that it fit. And you guys, I am in love with this. This is for sure my Easter dress. I have it paired with a pair of sandals. These are not from Amazon. These are actually from Shein, but I'll try to find a pair very similar for you on Amazon. But I love this dress. It is this beautiful green color. Love the smocked bodice. I am wearing a strapless bra with this just so that I don't worry about it like showing here. You could wear this like off the shoulder. That's how I saw some people in the pictures. The back looks like that, and it's got a little tie back there, which it appears my hair is stuck in, but super, super cute. It is roomy, so if you have a belly bump, like this could come up if you got a little baby bump. This would be really cute for a baby shower, but I love it. I love love, love the sleeves. And you're going to see a lot of smocked bodice in today's haul because I'm kind of feeling that look right now. And I don't know, that just screams spring. So I do have this little bag from Target that I picked up recently. And this would be so cute to go like shopping at the farmer's market or something. So such a cute bag. I keep it in my car, but that would be such a cute little outfit. And I love this dress so much. I'm filming with my phone today because my camera just died and I don't feel like going to try to find a battery. So filming with my phone today, but hopefully the lighting is a little bit better, and love this dress. Okay, this next dress is so incredibly comfortable. It's so thin and soft. Again, it has a smocked bodice, but this one has just some flutter sleeves. So cute. This one is a maxi, so it goes all the way down. I paired it again with those cute bow sandals from Shein. I'll again try to find a pair for you that I can link. I can link the ones from Shein too, but I love this. I love the floral. It's got like a beautiful blue floral design, again with the smocked bodice, and super, super cute and comfortable. What I like about this is I can wear this to work, but I could also wear this to like the farmer's market with a pair of sandals, you know what I mean? And either way, it would look really, really adorable. This would also be super cute for Easter. Very, very comfortable and extremely forgiving, you know what I mean? Like it's stretchy, it's got a ton of room in there, and you know, it looks really nice. Definitely needs some kind of long necklace for this, and I think that that would really look nice and tie it in, probably a nice little gold one. And yeah, like this dress, it's very, very, very comfortable, and this would be easy to throw on for work, and like I said, just easy to go do, you know, some shopping at the farmer's market or something. Super cute. Okay. This next one is a shorter dress. This is so cute. It is like I don't even know how to describe it. It's not stretchy and it's not fitted at all. It's almost like a t-shirt up top. It does have a tie that you could tie the top, but I like it open. Does come to just right above the knee. So if you're not comfortable with that, you know, keep that in mind. I have it paired with a pair of sandals I just picked up at Target today. But you guys, this is beyond comfortable. Not a single part of this dress is tight. It is incredibly like loose and just so incredibly flattering. I love this dress so much. This would be so cute for, you know, brunch or vacation. The way that it's fitted, you could even just like toss it over your swimsuit if you wanted to, but I love this dress, you guys. It is so incredibly comfortable and very, very, very flattering. I feel like on camera, everything looks just a little bit bigger, but in person, like this is extremely flattering. So comfortable. Okay, quite possibly my favorite find on Amazon in a while is this adorable peplum smocked top. It is in this beautiful pink stripe, and it's got, like I said, the smocked top. It's got these flutter sleeves and this beautiful peplum bottom. It is so incredibly flattering. I love it. I have it paired with a pair of those light wash jeans from Walmart. These are my favorite jeans in the whole entire world. I also have them paired with those cute bow slant sandals. And you guys, this is so cute. Like this would be so fun to go like wine tasting with the girls, or, you know, just a fun like summer or spring day out. If it's still a little bit chilly, you could pair this with a cute little white cardigan. I just love, love, love this top so much. And you guys, it is so affordable. It's $15. I loved it so much that I ended up getting it in multiple colors. I did buy this in red and I did buy this in blue. But I just think it's so cute, you guys. So cute. I need to iron my pants, but I love, love, love this top. And It's so sweet. Like, I just love the sweet flutter sleeve. It's so very like flattering. And, even if you don't like your arms, I feel like this top is flattering enough that you could maybe try it, because I think it's really, really cute. And let me show it to you I actually got it in 3 other colors: red, blue, and black. I forgot I just recently got the black one. Okay, guys, here it is in the red. I love the red. It's this cute gingham. And I just think that this is so cute for summer. This would be great on the 4th of July. I love, 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 love this top. I love that at the top, it has this really cute like ruffle detail. I don't know if you can see that. My camera is being funky, but it's got a ruffle detail up top and on the sides, on the flutter sleeves, but it's very, very flattering. Again, paired with those same jeans and the same sandals that I love. I really will link these for you guys down below. They're just so dang cute. But such a sweet top. So there it is in the red. I don't know if I like the red or the pink better. I think they're both so cute. One is just like, I feel like the red's a little sweeter. I mean, the pink's a little sweeter. The red is just very classic, like perfect for like a park day, or, if we're going to go like walk around Newport. I don't know. It's just so cute. Let me show you the blue. Okay. And here is the blue, also needing a quick little iron, but the blue is so sweet as well. This is very summery to me. I think it's so cute. I love these. You guys gotta tell me down below. Do you like these tops as much as I like these tops? Because I think that they are so sweet, and I think that they're cute for like just putzing around or like for a date night. I don't know. I just love them. Let me show you one more time the same top. Let me show you the black. Okay, I haven't even taken the tag off of this one yet. I just took it out of the package, but isn't this cute? So here it is in black. This one actually feels a little bit different. This one feels a little bit like thinner almost. I did pair it with a different pair of jeans. These are a pair of Old Navy jeans. They've got like a button up the top, but super, super cute. And I paired them with the same pair of bow sandals, but these are in black. You guys, they're so cute. But this top is adorable. Again, this one is just the smocked bodice. Oh, I gotta clean that mirror. Smocked bodice with the flutter sleeves, and this one that is on the mirror. What you're seeing, all that dust on the mirror. It's not on my shirt, but this one is definitely a little bit like thinner. I don't know. The other one is very cottony, and this one feels a little more like polyester. I don't know, but still incredibly cute. This one I feel like is like a little bit dressier. If you wanted to dress this one up, you could, but still super sweet. Okay, this next top is cotton. It's like a cotton stretch. This does have a little bit of a stretch to it. It is really long. I picked this up because I loved the square neckline and the sleeves, you guys. Like, I love the little flutter sleeve. I actually loved it so much that I did get it in I think there's a pink and white striped that I also picked up. I have not gotten that yet. But it is really long, so you could tuck it, if you wanted to give it a little front tuck so that it's not, you could pair it with a cute belt. Or you can completely tuck it in. I think it is like, it has enough fittedness to it that you could use it almost like a bodysuit if you tucked it in enough, because it's very, very long, which I think is fine. But it is super cute. I love the square neckline. It's super soft. I'm wearing a size large. Probably could have gone down to a medium, especially knowing like how big it is, but very, very, very flattering. Again, just have it paired with those same shoes for now, but love this top. It's so cute, and I just love the sleeves. Okay, I've got one more, and you'll notice that I have like a theme to the clothes that I purchase, and that is these sleeves, you guys. I don't know what it is about a puff sleeve to me that is so feminine and so sweet, but it just feels like perfect for spring. And so I did pick up this kind of hot pink top from Amazon, and it has the puff sleeves, and I think it's so cute. See, I don't like this line right here, so that's why I tuck it. I know the front tuck is old lady, but guess what, y'all? I'm an old lady, so I am fine with that. But I love, 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 love the top, or the sleeves. So this has like a little bit of like striping right here. I don't know how to describe it. It's not part of like the design, it's more part of the shirt. And then here is a close-up of these sleeves. Can you even? And they're almost like a sweet little cherry blossom, but the color is like a bright pink. Let me scoot back here. Very, very bright pink and very adorable, very sweet. I love this top, and to me it just screams spring. So I have it paired with those sandals from Target that I picked up today, and a long necklace. This is from Walmart like 1,000,001 years ago, I think, but I'll try to find one. But there it is, you guys. Love, love this adorable shirt. Okay, my friends, that is it for this fun try-on haul. I hope that you found something sweet and cute for you and your wardrobe. I will have everything linked for you down in the description box. And let me know if you're picking any of these up. I would love to hear what it is that you are adding to your wardrobe for the spring and summer. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure that you are subscribed if you aren't already. I will be sharing so many more clothing hauls. It's been so fun to share these with you, and I know they're some of my favorite things to watch on YouTube, Instagram. Like to know, it's where I find a lot of my deals as well. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, my friends.